How to change a 2019 Chrysler 300 4-button key fob battery. Now here's Sergeant Locksmith to show you how.
Alright, let's go ahead and change the battery out here on our 4-button Chrysler 300. If you have anything attached right here, you will need to remove that. So, with that being said, go and flip your remote over. You got your emergency key release right here. It is spring loaded. When you pull it back, set the emergency key blade to the side. You notice we have two openings. The key blade came out of here. You've got this indentation right here. Take you a flat tip screwdriver, put it in. Do not pry. You're going to rotate, so hold the remote firmly and twist the flat tip. Notice that it popped open. This is where I like to lay it down flush. And the reason why I suggest that is your circuit board will pop out. If it does, it has a little hole and a plastic that comes up through there. Go ahead and take that same flat tip, come 180, and you'll notice there's an indentation. Put the corner of your flat tip under there, and the battery comes out. And you notice it is a CR2032 battery. This is a new remote, so I'm going to put the battery back in. Reverse process. Push it in, push down. Snap the two together. There you go. You changed it. Hey, thanks again for watching, and let's be safe out there.